coming. And if you are satisfied with the resolution, so you can click and mail with that resolution will be sent to your email ID. So later on you can use that information and work on this. And while registering the ticket, you have a project details, you have a category, subcategory, and you have a subject, and then you have a description. In the description field, you can type a text, or you can voice recording is also there. You can record your complaint as a voice also. And the attachment are there. If you wanted to send some attachment while registering your ticket, you can attach you can make an attachment. So attachment is maximum is allowed for the 1 MB, and the formats are PNG, JPG, JPEG, and PDF. While registering a ticket, if you find okay, you don't have a sufficient information, so what you can do? Sometimes okay, then you have to come out and again come in and log in, and you have to do all this again. Here is another feature of draft. So suppose you are starting and you didn't find any information, or you wanted to some attachment and that is not there at that time. So what you can do, you can save as a draft on that particular session, and later on, if you find the information, you can log in again and draft.
Mr. Ranjan.
Yes.
I didn't get that config item and category. What is that? In the form, there is a config item and email client configuration.
Okay. So should I just say my Deepa here? So this config item is in the case of a company user, where you want to attach this particular ticket with a asset. And that is why that config item is there.
Okay.
The screenshot is of a company user. Categories under the project or service, you have a category. And so that's the category.
So can we add those categories from admin side if you get them?
Yes, you can add. You can add. So these services can be added from the admin. The categories can be added from the admin. And these assets are asset is associated with this user. Yes, you can add as well.
Are there any subcategories like suppose I would like to raise a request for IT? Okay. So in IT, again, there are subcategories. Means which problem do you have? Means whether it is software related issue, whether it is a hardware related issue, or any other IT related issue.
So, that can be defined. At the time of setting the system, basically at the time of we say the uploading the services, so you have to provide the details of category, subcategory. So in one category, there may be many subcategories.
And is there any facility to define the user category wise? Means, for example, suppose if we have for networking issues, we have a different engineer. For software issues, we have a different engineer. So it should go directly to that email ID.
Yeah, that will come in the agent module. I am talking about this is the complainer module. Here, to the complainer, whatever is defined in the system, that will be displayed here. Suppose in email, if you have a 10 subcategory, so that will be displayed in the pull down. And the person has to select the email, and within the subcategory, they have to select and raise the complaint. And whatever you are telling, that will come to on the agent module. That is there.
Okay, go ahead.
Yes, that matrix can be created, agent and category, subcategory, all that assignment can be done.
Okay.
Ranjan, you need to close in 10 minutes. Please.
Yeah. I have to close by.
Yes, please continue.
Now the ticket processing. The manage and track the ticket effectively with the interference. So once your ticket is logged, it's automatically going to the process. It assigned to the particular agent, and complainer can reply to the agent. Agent can also ask the question for the complainer that mail facilities are there. And here the agent cannot close the ticket. He can resolve the ticket, and complainer has the option to close the ticket or reopen the ticket. So that you will see in the demonstration, because what happens, one complaint is there and the agent resolve the complaint and close it. And when it goes to the complainer side, they say, okay, the problem has not been resolved. So there is a conflict. So after the lot of research, we have done this kind of things. So agent can only resolve this, then complainer has the option to close it. And if the complainer does not close within the 72 hours, that ticket will be automatically closed. Currently, it's 72 hours, but it is configurable. Yeah. Once that can be changed.
Okay.
And if you wanted to reopen the same ticket, if they are not satisfied, they can reopen the same ticket. And come to our services. These are the authentication, security convenience, mobile and email are OTPs. Verification is through the OTP, through the Google account and LDAP. I have already explained to you. And real-time notification is there. Instant alert are there, and you can communicate with the agent, and agent can communicate with the complainer, and user can evaluate the support experience with a 1 to 5-star rating. And while closing the ticket, if user are closing the ticket, that time the option will come for rating. If you are not going to rate that time, don't worry, you can close this, but later on when you will log in, first screen will come and they will ask for the rating. So rating is important, boost the knowledge of the agent, so he or she can improve the further. Now, knowledge base, we have seen the self-service and fast issue resolution and consistency. So this is all about the complainer. Now
Can we configure it with Office 365?
Office 365 is a mailing system. This is not
Like he's asking that can you log in through
Yeah,
Office?
log in through Office 65.
We can work that out.
right now we have what with the
At
Google.
present, we have done it through LDAP and Google. Office 365 will just work out and get that.
Okay. So right now it is not there.
No.
We are not taking all the emails. We are just taking one email, and LDAP is there.
Okay.
LDAP is there, so through it might be possible. We will just get back to you. Please, Ranjan.
Now come to the agent module. For agent module, the admin has to create the agent, and he has an option for out of office because the ticket moves in the round robin method. If the agent is not present or he is on a leave, so he has to mark here. So I am on leave or out of office. So that ticket will not be marked to the agent. Otherwise, what happens? The ticket will mark to the agent. If the agent is not in the leave, and nobody is going to take the ticket. So here, if any agent is out of office, the time period is there. It's a 24-hour system, but if the office is 9 to 6 and they are going out, and so that they can mark out of office, the ticket will be routed to another agent. So this concept is there. This is a round robin concept of ticket routing. Then you come to the ticket dashboard. Here are the dashboard of the agent. You can see the total number of tickets he or she has, how many new, how many closed, how many they have resolved. And he cannot resolve, but he can resolve, but he cannot close. He has resolved, and the complainer has closed. This is here, and pending with him, and pending to user. Suppose he has sent some mail to the user, and user has not responded. So here the system will show this ticket is pending with the user. So whatever the administration you are going to send the report, they will come to know. So okay, this is not the issue of the agent. This is the issue of the complainer. Generally, what happens? The ticket goes to the agent. It's liability to the agent. But if ask the question from the users, they are not answering. There is no mechanism in the other software to show where is the ticket. But here you have a categorized, you have categorized that. And rating of the agent. So whatever ratings computer is giving, that's recorded. Now we search facility ticket, the number of varieties of combinations. You can search the ticket, agent can see the ticket. If suppose somebody just forget, so the ticket number, so you can see the ticket by the dates and 4 digit of ticket number. You can also check with the only 4 digit of the ticket number. You can see the current status and advanced search is there. So you can say the specific state, assigned agent, and even complaint ticket. You can search the ticket. And create ticket. Complainer can also create a ticket. There is another option here. What happens in the organization? This has been seen that the top boss give a call and say, okay, I have a problem with the system and you have to resolve directly to the agent. So agent what they don't have any option. So they resolve the ticket and this is unrecorded. So that is not being recorded anywhere because the boss is not going to open the system and register a complaint. So here agent has the option. Okay, fine, he can attend the complaint and on behalf of him or her, he can create a ticket. So each and every ticket will be created here. So there is no other way so that people can escape. Okay, so I have worked, but that is not being recorded. And you have ticket management. So how it's routing, ticket routing at the best of service. You are asking categories, profile, agent availability, and downloading. So these are the routing mechanisms. And queues based on service, department, office, and locations. It may be the different locations. The agent is sitting not in the same building. It's another building. It may be the other locations. So that queues can be created based on the department and office location. SLA is there, so that can be defined. Problem tickets. Problem tickets are Radix master and child search. Radix master is the ticket. Basically, if you have a mass complaint, sometimes what happens was service is down. So for the same services, there are lots of complaints, hundreds and thousands of complaints are there. And for the resolution officer, it's very difficult to resolve the ticket, each ticket individually. So we have a concept of Radix master. For one ticket, you can make a Radix master, and all the tickets has to be added as a child ticket. And once you have closed the Radix master, all the tickets will be closed. So it's very simple to close the thousands of tickets within the second. Spirit master and child, this is used for suppose you have raised a complaint and that complaint has to be worked with the 2 agents. So the ticket will be splitted with the 2 agents. And once both the tickets will be closed, then the ticket will be closed. So once one is working, another is closed, that it will not be closed. And you have match tickets. The system can match the ticket if the same ticket has been raised earlier. So that can be matched and it will help the agent to resolve the same issue with the help of the match ticket. Then you have an auto action, state change, it can see the state change, it can see the priority, the ticket closure, and a disk child close. I already explained to you. And all these things you will see in the demo, the live presentation, you will see how it's working. And it's a template-based response and auto notification. We have a template that can be defined, and that is defined by the admin. So we see in the admin module. Ticket movement moves across the queues, transferred to different service and assigned to the agent. It's automatically movement. And the communication, the internal, external, I've already explained to you. With the complainer agents, how tickets are moved. So that can be tracked here. And that all the details are listed on the complainer side, on the tickets. Click the tickets, we get all the details of the whatever happening on the ticket. And all activity generates a ticket. Ticket history. You can see the all ticket history by clicking a ticket. And this is the authentication. and notification, real-time notification is there. And one is another notice board. Notice board is important. Agent can see any notices that are put up for them. So admin has a right to send a notice. So if we send any notice, that will be sent to all the agents. So that is another way of communicating with the agent. Now you have a knowledge base. So one important thing is here, convert ticket to KB. So knowledge base. Agent has resolved the ticket and with the root cause, what is the problem and how it has been resolved. You can submit it to the knowledge base, KB. And administrator or the expert of that service can see, okay, this is fine, and that can be go on the knowledge bank, and then he can approve, and that will be go to the knowledge bank. So knowledge bank building the knowledge. If you see how can I help you, these knowledges are come from the agent. So whatever they write, they come to here. Earlier, come to here. So at the time it's a cycle. So at the time of registering a ticket, before registering, you can take a help of this knowledge base. Faster issue resolution and the consistency. Now I have a self-service. Again, AI-based smart search is there that can be started. These facilities are with the agent also. You can also start and take help to resolving the ticket. And aesthetics are there with the agent also. And chatbot is also available with the agent. Now the different types of reports are available with the agents. You can see. So these are the agent module. Now I'm just quickly, I'm going after time. I just wanted 5
The
minutes.
admin module you need to finish in 2-3 minutes. So that
I've just take 2 minutes.
Before that, one question from me.
Yeah, yes.
Is there any workflow facility available with the service request?
Yes. Workflow is there.
Okay.
Now this is admin mode. There's the admin dashboard. The ticket created, login data, all are here. Let's see. Then ticket dashboard. So you can see the quarterly total ticket, quarterly new open ticket, quarterly pending agents. So there are lots of tickets. It's a quarterly, then yearly till date, then monthly till date. So these type of tickets and closed, open, with the agents, all these combinations are here in the dashboard of admin. You can also see the ticket trends, total hours ticket created, resolved, closed, trade. So this is the online kind of thing. When the systems are running, you can just go to the admin and see how this ticket, this trend is till 1 p.m. So you can see the trends. When the tickets are raised, more tickets are raised, what is the status of agent. So these reports are there. Today hourly agent login trends, and then that was the ticket trend. Now this is the agent trends. So admin can see agents are there or not, what are the leave, what is the load of the system. So these agent login trends are there. And this is the monthly analytics. Close, resolving time, first call regulation, average time, and average first reply time. And this is the email logs. So email logs and OTP logs are there. Suppose somebody says, okay, I am trying to log in and I am not getting the OTP. So admin has a right, he can see, okay, really OTP has generated or not. So that all the logs are here, so that he can check. So there are different type of templates. If you are sending emails, so templates can be modified by the administrator. So one template is here. So for the one type of services, 3/4 templates can be put there, and that is modified. That can be modified. So email templates are there. So many email templates. Now come to the blocking, the security service, IP blocking. If you see the spam or something are coming with a particular IP, that can be blocked from the here. Admin can block the IP, admin can block the domain also. So these are the major features of the. Thank you for listening all these things. Now my colleague Vinod will show you the actual demo. Whatever I explained, we will authenticate it's working in our system. Over to Vinod.
Okay, Vinod, please start with the.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And I'm just sharing my screen. Wait, for a second.
Vinod, you have to finish the demo in 23 minutes.
Yes, sir. I will try my best as soon as possible. And I'm sure I hope I'm audible to everyone.
Yes, you are audible and screen
yes.
is also visible. You can start.
Okay. So basically, this is the home page and look and feel of the website and also of your software. Let me start from the right here. This is the logo of the company. This can also be managed as per your organization. It's a changeable thing. And these are the, this is the top bottom, and this is the banner that if admin want to send any kind of message to all the users, that can be done from here. And this is the bottom one bar. Here are all the statistics regarding tickets and users, how many tickets are created till date, monthly till date, annually, yearly till date, how many tickets closed and how many tickets are created by any agent. This is the bottom bar too. Here you can display if your organization has more than one websites and you want to send a customer from this page to your organization's other web page, all those things can be done from here. Let me tell you about self-service, which Mr. Ranjan sir has explained in detail. This is a search bar that how can we help you today. Before creating a ticket, if user wants any kind of solution that he needs to be to close his ticket or to resolve his issue, he can search from here. And this is a AI-based search system. He will get a response like this. This is the numbering of this solution, how much it is closer to your query. That is depends on this numbering. This is how much it is close to one. This it is on the higher basis. Every thumbs up, if user provides its any kind of any thumbs up, its rating increases and it goes to the knowledge bank, which I will tell you further. And Ranjan sir also has explained it. So, and this can also be integrated with Chat GPT. Your next first solution here will be visible, that is provided by your organization, your team, through the knowledge bank. If customer is not satisfied, he can also ask that same thing means its next answer will come from the chat GPT. That facility is also here. This is a chatbot integrated here. Basically, for the status of your ticket, if you want to know, you can do that from here. And same things that are possible in this search bar are also available here. If you want to write any kind of query, that can be managed from here also. And you can also create ticket from here too without logging into the system. Now, let's log into the complainer system. Currently, there are 3 ways to log into complainer's account. First is via email, second is via mobile number, and third one is login with Google authentication. If you will put here your email address, then you will get OTP on your email, registered email. If you will put here mobile number, OTP will send to your registered mobile number. or you can log in via Google authentication also. Let me show you. Yeah, I have logged in, and there are 4 tickets pending for rating. The ticket, which ticket has been closed, that ticket goes to the rating system. In many organizations, I think in every organization, rating depends a lot that what kind of work agent had done on it, and whether it is satisfying to the customer or not. Directly, it will send you to on the page where you can rate the ticket. I will show you in a moment. And this is your dashboard. This is the dashboard of complainer. Open tickets, closed tickets, resolved, pending, or pending with agents. This is the numbering. These are the open tickets. Pending with me ticket means agent had sent you any kind of notice that he needs further any information or any file or any OTP, etc. if he needs, and he will send that ticket back to the user. That is going to be said as pending with me, because it is pending with the customer. When he will reply this ticket, its status will change to the pending with agent. Here he can see its tickets, and this is the profile system. He can edit his profile as per the needs, and this is the person where he will register the ticket. Suppose he has any issue in the emails and category his login issue. How do I connect to Gmail? Suppose this is a raw data, and I'm not saying that this is an exact question or answering. If he click on the send email, this thing is again to avoid creating useless tickets. If he is satisfied right from here, he will click on the send email, and the email, this solution would send to him via his on his registered email. He can create ticket, and the subject of the ticket would be exactly the same, which is written here. He will write here his description, whatever it is. From here, he can attach any file. That file should be in the format of PNG, JPG, JPEG, and PDF only. And maximum file size is allowed 1 MB. This is also editable by the admin. He can increase or decrease its size. This is the voice recorder. If he wants to send any kind of any voice note, that can be done from here. User can also save it as a draft to this ticket. And if he will click on the submit, the ticket would be submitted. And one more thing here that was asked, this is the service, sir. This is the service, and this is its sub-service, or you can say category, subcategory, as per your organization's need. These things are editable. But and if this category has further any subcategory, that can also be managed in this system. Just click on the submit and the ticket created. Actually, last 4 digits are the number of this ticket, and first 4 digits are for the year. This is the date, and then the time, minutes and seconds. That is, it is based on this. This is the logic behind this numbering of the ticket, and it is also, again I say, editable. You can select other types of ticket numbering also as per requirements. Now a ticket is created, and this is number of this ticket. Now it's in the status of new. New means this ticket is not assigned to someone. It remains here almost for 1 minute in the same state, because mechanism behind assignment of a ticket is a round robin algorithm. As well as this ticket would be assigned to any agent, its status will change to the open ticket. It means open ticket means this ticket has been assigned to some agent. Okay, I will show you in next. These are the drafts. If you have saved those, you can edit it and send it again to the just like a ticket, or you can delete it also. These are the previous complaints. So the complaints you have registered till now, and what is their status, in which service you created ticket, what was the date and time, what was the last updated date and time of that ticket. All these specific things are available here. This is the rating portion. Again, I'm telling you, only closed tickets can be rated, and ticket can be closed only by the user itself. Suppose I give him these ratings. These questions are also editable by the admin. These are the default set by our system. And now this ticket has been rated. And if you will see, it is rated overall 4.4 stars are rated. This is the column for the feedback. If you want to send any kind of error report or suggestion directly to the admin, that can be done from here, and you can also attach any kind of file also. These are the help videos to help the complainer, whatever action he can perform. All videos are available here. This is the option for the to check his login attempts, from which IP last time he logged in, and all those things, and via which browser, what is the date, time, etc. That thing is available. Now, if you see, this ticket is in the status of open, it means this ticket has been assigned to some agent. It takes almost half to 1 minute assigning the ticket. If there is any query regarding the portion of the complainer, I can explain it. And one more thing, this is for the cosmetic makeover of the system. Just like if you want to see it in the gray, you can, you will just select it in the gray, sky blue, and pink. Default is the gray. Default color is the gray. You can, these are the navigational positions available, and also you can manage them. So if everything is okay, and let us move to
Vinod, you can continue. We'll take up the question at 4:45.
Okay, sir. Okay, good. So now let's move to the agent portion. All these things are almost same, but there is no chatbot, one thing, and agent can log in. Agent can log in via its email address. Again, I am telling you, this is a demo environment. That's why we are displaying the OTP on the screen, but it will be sent to the email address of the agent. Yeah. So here is the ticket. This ticket is sent to this agent, and let me show you. This is the notice board. Admin can send the notice if he needs to be sent to all the agents or his organization's all employees. That can be done from here, which Ranjan sir explained you. This is his ticket dashboard, and these are the tickets, and what action he can take on the ticket is here. This is quite an important portion of the this session. First, he can communicate with the complainer, or internally he can communicate. This is a two-way communication system. If he needs to send any or ask any kind of suggestion or from his senior or his any other agent, so he will communicate internally, and this internal note is not visible to the complainer. Complainer can see only external notes, and that is communication with reply to complainer. If he will select on the reply to complainer and send any kind of note, that would be visible to the complainer, and internal note he can send to his organization internally. Email to others is for someone who is not part of this ticket and or this HelpDesk system. Suppose that is a vendor and you need to send a ticket to the vendor, that can be managed from here. You can send him email. Move ticket is for if you want to the ticket to the other category of the same service, of your same service. Suppose this is email service and he wants to send it to the other category of the same service, that can be done from here. He can change state of the ticket, just like resolved in process, pending due to vendor, pending others, which maybe some other regions that ticket is pending. And if he say it is in process, its status will change to the in process. From here, he can search the history of the ticket, when it was created, where it went on the first, and if SLA is there, those all things are available there. You can download it as a PDF from here. Priority is something that needs to be, sometimes it maybe needs to be changed. From 5 to 1 to 5, priority can be changed. Default priority is 3. Split ticket, as Mr. Ranjan sir explained you. This is for the, if you any ticket needs to be worked more than one person, then this ticket needs to be splitted into more than one. Suppose someone sent you ticket regarding network and you needs to be work on his hardware also and also on the network portion. So you can split the ticket into 2 portion. One is the main ticket and other is the its child ticket. Both tickets when would be closed, only then ticket can be closed. Radix is the for the system that Mr. Rajan explained. Once again, I am telling you, if there are some tickets, a loads of ticket come any day regarding one issue.
No, I think Radix has been explained. You can move ahead because we only have 5 minutes.
Okay. And transfer is for the ticket. If you want to move ticket outside of your service into same service in other category, you want to move, then move is the option. Outside of your ticket service, you can transfer the ticket. You can assign ticket to any specific agent that needs to be work on it. That can be done from here. This is the ticket preview. Once again, the whole detail of the ticket, and it can also be downloaded as PDF. There are some more things. These are the, if there is any Radix ticket regarding this kind of ticket, that is available here. This is the ticket information, to whom this ticket is assigned, in which category it was created, when it was created. All those things are available here. And the customer details, who is the customer, who is the complainer, those all things are there. If there are any matched tickets that were explained, those are available here. This is the tab for assigned ticket, which tickets are assigned to particular this agent. And these are the tickets which are in his queue. All the tickets are shown to him here, that may be assigned to this particular this agent, or his colleague any other agent that is also agent of the same service. Convert to KB if he sends any closed ticket to admin for the to edit into the knowledge bank, that is visible. Search ticket is available here, and it's a quite strong and search system. You can search ticket via its number. You can search ticket from the date. These are some advanced filters available here. You can search ticket from its status, its source, its queue. State-wise, you can search the tickets. Agent-wise, you can, or complainer-wise, you can search the tickets. All these things are available. Submit ticket, just like explained earlier, agent can create tickets on the behalf of any other also, or he can create ticket only on his own behalf also. So if he will enter email address or just mobile number of the registered complainer, its detail will be visible here, and he can similarly he can create ticket. These are the tickets created by this agent. Those are available here. This is the portion for the reports. What kind of reports it can have? This is for the all tickets. He can see right from here. It can also be exported to the Excel. This is for the whole help desk ticket system, ticketing management system, and this is the ticket volume based on the and agent performance. What kind of performance of this agent is there? What is the time sheet when he logged in and when he logged out, and at what time he did this things? Its login entries are here. How many tickets he has been attended, those are available here. If he has any contribution to the knowledge base, that would be possible visible here. And you can see the rating of the agent right from here. Similar feedback, any error report or suggestion, agent also can send that. And this is the directory, one another quite advanced feature. If there are some L1 staff, L2, L3 staff, or any higher management of any service, their mobile number, its email address, and also his posting details, everything is available here, so that if he needs to talk to any another services, L1, L2 staff or L3 staff, that can be done from here. Similarly, there are the help videos for agent also, and this is the login details of the agent when he logged in and when he want to logged out via which email ID, his browser, his login down, log out, and those all things are available. So I think I'm done, sir.
Yes, okay. Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you, Vinod.
Thank you.
So,
Can I stop the sharing or?
yes, please stop.
Yeah, stop the sale.
Okay.
So, is there any questions or queries? There were few questions which were asked during the meeting, and we have noted them down, and we'll get back on that. Other than that, are there any questions or any queries which need to be answered at this moment? So, if there are no further questions, then probably we
Hello.
can. Hello, yes, Mr. Singh.
I didn't find any a report section. Means if I
Vinod,
want to
can you show
report
the report?
query wise report to user wise report. User wise means engineer wise. How many queries he has solved from him. So report, I want that report.
Okay.
Yeah, we can send you the screenshots. Those are there. Those reports are there. We can send you small videos or
Because of the
screenshots
time,
of those
we could
reports.
not show everything because we only had 10 minutes. So we will send
But
those.
all
Okay.
these kind of reports are available, sir.
Okay.
Any other question which is there, Mr. Prasad?
ये application will it be integrated, able to integrate with the LDAP?
Yes, it is integrated.
Okay. Any type of LDAP, no? Be
Yes.
it is a Linux or Windows based.
Yes.
Okay.
It is LDAP compliant.
Can you send me the details and if you have any testing demo?
We
to
can
my
send you
email
the
ID?
detail, and for demo we will try to work out. You are looking for a POC sort of thing or a demo? See, demo we can always give. That's not an issue. But are you looking for a POC or a demo?
We are looking for POC, but right now just send me the demo
Okay,
purpose.
we will send it.
That will be helpful.
Yeah, definitely. We will be more than happy.
Yeah.
Anything else?
No. Should I leave? Because I have another
Yes,
meeting.
yes, please.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. So
Thank you.
we will close now.
Thank you, all of
everybody
you.
for joining.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you for that.
अनुज से भी पूछ लो कोई क्वेश्चन है?
सर ये बावन है।
हाँ बताओ सर बताओ।
अनुज के पास
बच गया बाहर का।
अनुज के पास तो ज्यादा क्वेश्चन होगा।
वैसे तो
भाई अनुज को तो ऑर्डर लाने हैं, तो पूछ लो अभी जो डाउट।
आई थिंक इट वेंट ऑफ वेल। एंड इसमें ये जो था, अंशु ये बताओगे, ये जो संदीप था ये कहाँ से था? एक तो दीपा प्रभुलिंगम तो इन्फोसिस से था,
टीसीएस से थे
वो
सर।
टीसीएस से था। सौरभ
नहीं संदीप संदीप भी एक संदीप टीसीएस से, सौरभ टीसीएस से, संदीप सर यहाँ से निम NICMAR यूनिवर्सिटी से।
अच्छा, तो इन्फोसिस और टीसीएस से तो, क्योंकि प्रभुलिंगा तो देखता है ये
हाँ जी।
सीनियर, मतलब ही इज अ सीनियर लेवल पर्सन, आई नो हिम।
हाँ।
दीपा यू आर म्यूट, दीपा यू आर म्यूट।
प्रसन्न RVNL से है।
मैं ये बोल रही हूँ प्रभुलिंगम ने लेकिन क्वेश्चन कुछ नहीं पूछा।
नहीं पूछा ना उसने,
शुरू में पूछे ना।
यू वर नॉट, उसने काफी क्वेश्चन
वो
पूछे।
किसने पूछा कि ये कहाँ पे इम्प्लीमेंटेड है
ये सौरभ टीसीएस, उसने मेरे को 1-to-1 मैसेज भी भेजा कि बताओ, तो मैं टेकअप करूंगा उसको, क्या करना है मैं तेरे से डिस्कस
हाँ,
करूंगा।
मैं पब्लिक में नहीं बोलना चाहती थी कि
नहीं,
NIC में इम्प्लीमेंटेड है।
नाम तो नहीं बोलना चाहिए, ठीक है।
मैंने लिख
गवर्नमेंट
दिया
ऑफ
कि जैसे प्रभुलिंगम ने पूछा था ऑन प्रीमिसेस है या क्लाउड है, टीसीएस ने पूछा था टीम्स इंटीग्रेशन, फिर प्रभुलिंगम ने पूछा था इसमें चेंज और रिलीज मैनेजमेंट है, फिर
हाँ,
उसने
है नहीं मगर मैंने बोल दिया है
एसेट
क्योंकि वो
मैनेजमेंट, एसेट डिस्कवरी ये पूछा था प्रभुलिंगम ने, फिर सैम और टैम पूछा था टीसीएस ने। तो काफी क्वेश्चन पूछे हैं प्रभुलिंगम ने, काफी क्वेश्चन, ऐसा नहीं है।
सारे क्वेश्चंस हमें रखने चाहिए अपने
मैंने
पास।
दीपा नेम वाइज नोट किया हुआ है, मैं उसका पूरा नोट बना
ठीक
के
है।
रात को भेज दूंगा। एंड टुमारो वी कैन हैव अ शॉर्ट हाफ एन आवर डिस्कशन, एंड उसके बेस पे अगले 3 महीने का, मतलब अगस्त और सितंबर का प्लान बना लेंगे कि डेवलपमेंट टीम इस पे क्या क्या करना है, ताकि हम उस हिसाब से प्रेजेंट करें। वो नोट किया।
कल भी तो है ना
कल भी तो है।
प्रेजेंटेशन।
हाँ तो एक लेवल पे कर लेंगे, फिर मंडे को दोबारा कर लेंगे।
रंजन जी आप अपने प्रेजेंटेशन में कुछ बता दीजिएगा, अगर कुछ चाहिए तो मैं डाल दूंगी, क्योंकि आज तो मैंने इतनी जल्दी स्लाइड्स बनाई है ना, मैं बता नहीं सकती हूँ कि कितनी जल्दी मैं
ये
स्लाइड्स बनाई।
प्रेजेंटेशन तो भेज देना अंशु, एक प्रॉपर फोल्डर बनाओ, उसमें सारी प्रेजेंटेशन रखो।
अभी कल होने दीजिए,
भेज
फिर
देना।
उसको
नहीं
देखते
आज,
हैं।
बट तूने बनाया, दैट्स व्हाई इट वाज गुड, मतलब देखने में अच्छी थी, नहीं तो विजिबिलिटी नहीं
नहीं
आती।
मगर जिस स्पीड से बनाई है ना पूछो मत, मतलब कॉपी 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 कॉपी।
दीपा तो क्लाइंट मीटिंग में थी, आज से सुबह से तो क्लाइंट मीटिंग में।
हाँ, और कुछ नहीं, कुछ
हाँ,
डुप्लीकेट है बस, बाकी ठीक है, तो मैंने स्किप कर दिया।
3 बजे तक तो मेरी दूसरी मीटिंग चल रही थी।
नहीं, मुझे तो 1 बजे लगा कहीं भूल तो नहीं गए, इसलिए मैंने रिमाइंडर डाला। देखो क्या करूंगा मैं।
नहीं, यहाँ पे मीटिंग चल रही है
हाँ।
जिसमें मतलब पहली बार मैं जिंदगी में पूरे कॉन्फ्रेंस रूम में प्रेजेंटेशन दे रही हूँ बंगाली में, 3 दिन से, पिछले 3 दिन से
बंगाली में?
तो आप एक्सपर्ट हो
बंगाली
गए।
में।
आपको बंगाली आती है?
हाँ भाई,
आती,
तभी तो
बोलनी आती है मुझे।
तभी तो कलकत्ता में जाके बैठती है।
ये देखो पीछे है, नहीं दिख नहीं रही माँ दुर्गा। ये
हाँ।
ये
अच्छा
पूरी
अच्छा, आप
कॉन्फ्रेंस
कॉन्फ्रेंस
रूम में
रूम में बैठे हो आप?
सब जा चुके हैं और मैं यहीं बैठी हूँ।
ओके ओके।
तो
मैं सोचा कि आप ऑर्डर
गुड प्रेजेंट, मतलब मेरे को तो ओवरऑल अच्छी फीलिंग आई है, बिकॉज जो इस टाइप से क्वेश्चन जितने पूछे हैं, विच इज ए वेरी गुड साइन। इसमें अंशु बहुत क्रिटिकल है, कल 11 से 12 मीटिंग होगी, 5 से 5:30। इसमें सारा एजेंडा यही है कि आगे कैसे लेके जाना है, हर बंदा इस पे अगले हफ्ते क्या करेगा।
ठीक है
मतलब बहुत स्पीड से बढ़ना है। देखो स्पीड नहीं होगी तो इन सब चीजों का कोई फायदा नहीं होता, ये चीजें हो जाती है। अभी लोगों ने पूछा, इमीडिएट रिएक्शन हो, इमीडिएट उसके ऊपर आंसर हो, जो है वो देखेंगे, बट बहुत फास्ट इस पे वर्किंग हो। मतलब आज टोटल 8 लोग थे मेरे ख्याल से, 8 से 10 लोग थे टोटल, मैक्सिमम
11
15 थे।
हाँ 11 ज्वाइन हुए थे सर आउटसाइड से, जिनमें 4 कंटिन्यू रहे हैं।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, अब टोटल 15 थे मैक्सिमम,
हाँ
7 तो
मतलब
हमें।
हाँ
नहीं,
5-7 हमें 11 लोग आए थे।
अरे
हाँ
नहीं
कुछ
ठीक है,
नहीं,
कुछ
टोटल
आके
15
चले
थे,
गए थे।
टोटल 15 थे,
लोग को
7
समझ में आ
हमें
गया
बाहर
क्या
हो गए।
फीचर है, बहुत लोग निकल जाते हैं।
हाँ
अच्छा 11 थे बाहर से,
जी
11 थे गुड नंबर।
हाँ सर 11 थे, कुछ 2
कल
पहले
सुबह
चले
फिर
गए।
से वैसे एफर्ट लगाना है,
ठीक है फिर।
ठीक है। कल की अभी कितने रजिस्टर है कल के लिए?
2 हैं सर।
ठीक है,
हाँ तो
ठीक
आज
है, मेरे
जो
ख्याल
नहीं
से
आए उनको बोलो
एक ही
कल फिर
रखना
आए।
चाहिए, 2 में थोड़ा सा डिवाइड हो जाए।
आज लिंक्डइन में, फेसबुक में, सब जगह थोड़ा सब लोग शेयर वेयर कर दो, बना वो कर दो।
हम लोग मुकुल जी आगे के लिए एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे थे 2 दिन का। उस दिन जब डिसाइड किए थे हमने, दीपा जी ने डिसाइड किया था, तो थोड़ा एफर्ट लगेगा लेकिन एक्सपेरिमेंट हो जाएगा।
ठीक।
तो हाँ इसलिए हमने इसको किया, तो भाई ठीक है, कोई एफर्ट लगेगा कोई
अभी
बात नहीं,
दवाई देती हूँ।
तो
लेकिन 2 दिन करके देखते हैं।
अंशु, जितने
जी
भी
सर।
सोशल मीडिया उसमें फिर से डालो कल के लिए।
ठीक
अंशु,
है जी सर।
कल के लिए जितने भी सोशल मीडिया पे डालो, और सिद्धांत को और सुजाता को, सिद्धांत को भी टैग करके डालो कि डाले।
ठीक है सर।
बाबर आप भी देख, आप भी डालो, अगर डाल सकते हो तो डालो। ठीक है, मतलब कोशिश करते हैं कि कल भी आए, कल सैटरडे, लेट्स सी। और जितने लोगों को फोन कर सकते हो, मेल कर सकते हो, बात कर सकते हो। तो जितनी भी रिपोर्टिंग है ना, ये 1.5 घंटे छोड़ के अंशु वो नेक्स्ट वीक करेंगे, कल भी कोई रिपोर्टिंग नहीं करेंगे, इसी पे ही कंसंट्रेट करेंगे।
ठीक है सर।
अदर देन जो 1.5 वाली मीटिंग है ना, जो आपने रिपोर्ट पेंडिंग है, वो मंडे से देखेंगे, कल नहीं देखेंगे। कल
ठीक
भी
है
पूरा
सर।
दिन इस पे लगा।
ठीक है।
अंशु कल का लिंक दूसरा होगा, ये मत भेजना।
हाँ जी आप दे दीजिए मुझे,
तीसरा लिंक
मॉर्निंग
क्रिएट
में ही
कर
दे
दो।
दीजिएगा।
हाँ मैडम बनाएंगी तो फिर मैं दूंगा कल का
ठीक
टाइम।
ठीक।
बना दूंगी मैं कल का।
चलो फिर, थैंक यू।
ओके सर।
ठीक है,
लेट अस
थैंक यू
क्लोज,
ऑल
मेरी
ऑफ यू।
5 बजे एक और मीटिंग है।
ओके सर।
Thank you.
ठीक है।
थैंक यू।